Okay, I think we're ready to start. Oh man, what is today? Today is April 15th of 2020. Hello, hello. Hey, what's up, Ethan? Oh man, I don't even. Today's been a lot. But yeah, let's see. Last time I streamed was Saturday, so despite the quarantine, it's been a bit of a while since we've streamed. My mic is topping out a bit. Oh, it is. Dang it. Well, let's fix that. No, I don't want that button. What the fuck? This button? Yeah, what the hell? This got reset. Well, I should have done a sound test. Thank you for letting me know there. Yeah, definitely was a problem. I wonder what changed this, because I haven't done anything. I haven't run any Windows updates. Oh, you can't even see. This. This was at 100, which, yeah, makes the microphone go all bad. Now I'm quiet. It was at 78 before, so this is like about the right, actually I think it was 75 last stream. But yeah, I don't know what changed that. So, and my sound levels are about right now. If I talk really loud, it does tap out still. So if if I scream, we'll still get that. But yeah, sorry about that. Damn, that's gonna mean the first several minutes of the video are gonna be poor sounding, but what are you gonna do, I guess. I bet it was Skype if I had to guess at who messed this up. Which, like, fucking Skype. Could fix it in post? That would imply that I would do editing. I don't have time for that. That's a funny one. Alright, did I do anything since last time? What did we work on last time? Oh, I guess I did do a couple of things. So last time we worked on, what did we work on? We started working on this branch in pyupgrade. That's not where that lives. Hey, what's up, Suiku? Thank you for the follow, or thank you for showing up in the stream. God, I'm just on autopilot here. What's going on? Really like your Anthony Explains series. Keep it going. Thank you very much. I like it too. It's really easy to make, also. So I've been. Oh, you've been here before. Cool. Yeah, it's really easy for me to make. So like, and I kind of enjoy recording those little videos. One thing that I got, but I didn't have time to set it up because I got it literally like 3 minutes before the video started, is I have a document camera, which, like, I don't know. I guess part-time can serve as like a keyboard camera. But the actual plan for the next stream is to play around with microcontrollers, Arduino, and try and build a controller for a Switch, which I have over here. Mostly just to be like a fun. I've never done like hardware. I guess I did one hardware electronics project, but I haven't done much with hardware, and I think it might be fun to play around with. And maybe I could like build something cool for the stream out of the same stuff, but kind of want to build something for. I guess I can plug it in temporarily. Let's see. What could go wrong? Doing it live, just gonna plug in this camera and see what it does. I have not figured out how this works at all. But in theory, we could set up video capture device. Create new document camera. Okay. And it will use this thing. Oh shit! Well, we don't want it to be that big. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. We'll just put it right here for now. Oh, interesting. It's a different aspect ratio than everything else. Oh, that's I have to turn it almost... Is there really not a thing for this? Huh. I guess that's how it wants to be. Ah, damn. Okay. That is the right thing. Oh my god. What a mess. Okay, we're not doing this today. Fuck this. It's too much work. I'll play with that. No. Please. Okay. I'll play with that another time, but it is a thing that I will set up for future streams. I don't know, maybe as a keyboard cam, but the reason that I got it was to do electronic stuff, so hopefully we'll be able to play with that. Other updates. I went outside yesterday in my backyard just because I felt like going outside, and let me tell you, seeing the sun was a special thing, I guess. God, that was an interesting one. But yeah, so I went outside. Hey, what's up, the Endless Server? And GM Knight, hello. Speaker says, do you have any more Anthony Explains videos plans? Yes, I do. I'm actually working on one. I was supposed to record it yesterday, but then what did I do instead? I think I just got sad and watched YouTube instead, which, like, such is life. But let me show you. This is the spoilers for the one that I'm recording now. So the plan is to work on explaining the difference between returns none and returns no return, which I actually explained in the last stream, but I will re-explain it on a video. But there's kind of my wiki that I'm like keeping track of stuff that I want to talk about. Someone in the YouTube comments suggested async.io, which I actually don't know much about, but maybe I will try and explain some of it. Who knows? And this is not in any sort of order. These are just arbitrarily ordered. Should probably put that at the top so people aren't like, oh, you're never going to talk about the thing I want you to talk about. That said, the next one I'm doing is second in the list, which is like super arbitrary, but should happen eventually. Knowledge says, professes hate for Fernie, who's not talking Knowledge out of making Vabu hard enough. Yeah, Knowledge messaged me today and was like, dude, I hate you. I'm sitting here wanting to create a Vim clone. Please, for the love of productivity, talk me out of it. And I definitely did not attempt to do that. Oh no, Knackle Eric, why do you have a different name? Now you're USB Jub 42. Anthony explains shiny hunting when. Speaking of shiny hunting, what can I do? I can just show you my Switch, because I'm not gonna hook up the capture card. I found some shiny Pokemon in Sword and Shield. Let me hook this up. I'm just gonna point it up to the camera. I'm not gonna actually hook it up to the capture card because I don't have this setup ready. How do I play this Switch? Give me a sec. Oh, now you're making noise. Not what I wanted. Not what I had planned. That box. Okay, so I've gotten 5 shiny Pokemon in Shield or Sword since Sunday. So one of them is, let me just switch to this so you guys can see better. There we go. I got a Squavit, which is like the intro Pokemon in the first routes. Not what I want. I have Fan Thump, which is the 5th gen? 4th gen? I don't know. This is the one that I was trying to get, which is Sinistea, although I didn't get the authentic form, I got the boring form. I got Swoobat and Toxel. Those were just, I like joined a random raid online and it happened to be a raid that was shiny. So that one was just like really, really fucking good luck. But anyway, that's that shiny Pokemon. But yeah, the teacup Pokemon is one of the ones that I got. The teacup Pokemon actually has a rare form that is the encounter rate in the wild is 1 in 100, but the encounter rate if you get the T Pokemon, like given that you've encountered the T Pokemon, it's a 1 in 10 chance that it's that other form. So eventually I'll try and try and get the rare form as a shiny, but like the probability of that is so small. It's like 1 in, assuming you're at max odds, it's 1 in 51,000, which is, I guess, not the rarest shiny that I've done so far, but it's up there. The underscore says, that was my question. I feel honored. Oh, I will keep that as a note because I forgot who it was. And then I'll shout you out on the video. It's monads all the way down, right? That Valorant game that everyone's playing, you can only access the beta by getting a key on Twitch, so I made a second account to help a friend, but I forgot to log out. Oh, I see. The T Pokemon, yeah, the T Pokemon's pretty funny. I'm only familiar with the first generation and a couple later gens. Yeah, I've played a lot of all of them, unfortunately. C-Complex says, sup Andy, I really feel like my Python and object-oriented programming skills are improving. Pog me, nice. They make a new Pokemon Snap, I would totally get into it again. Yeah, Suicune, that would be dope. It's a good game. All right, we might look at this later. That's unrelated though. Let's see, stuff since I did last time. So I'm gonna open a bug report on pyupgrade, which was pretty, oddly convenient given I was working on it at the time. That extended Unicode escapes were not working, and this is a feature that I always forget about because I almost never use it. But in Python, you can use named Unicode escapes by doing \N and then in curly braces the name of the escape. So this will, print the snowman. What is the actual name of this? Is it upside down underscore face? Hold on, let me open up Pigeon and connect to the IRC bot that I know. Create emoji upside. Well, that's probably the right character. Or emoji, this guy. Upside dash down space faced. Would have never gotten that. Upside dash down space face. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Or you 00001F643. Yes, I'm weird and have memorized that. But anyway, but yeah, I'd forgotten to handle these, and pyupgrade did funny things for them. In some places it would crash with a key error, in other places it would do the wrong behavior. So I did a quick fix which just made it skip those with the to do that will eventually handle them. So that's what that patch is. The same person who made that issue followed up by starting to implement that, which almost works. There's one little last thing that's missing, but should be easy to do. But I did for that. Good. I'm just gonna mark this as red, otherwise it's gonna grab me insane. But yeah. Extended Unicode escapes. Strike again. I always forget about these. And unfortunately they look a lot similar to the substitution parameters for f strings and for .format, so problem basically. Game Knight says, after your last stream, I thought I could get one PR merged before your next stream. This one I was wrong. It happens. Let's see. So yeah, I did that, and we've been going back and forth on this. And then this one I did this morning. This morning somebody opened an issue where they ran the GitHook script and expected it to work like the other script, And unsurprisingly, it doesn't, because, you know, the dot get slash hooks, this should be a slash. I don't know why it's an underscore. Makes me believe they didn't actually run it, but just like copy and paste it. That's fine, don't worry about it. But yeah, and then I made a PR which will make that an error. So you'll see now. Before you could do this, and it would, anyway, I think it would actually show the help message. No, I think it would just silently ignore it. Actually, we can try it in some other repo. Get hooks pre-commit that should help. Yeah, so it would just run as if this argument is ignored. Any number of arguments are ignored, but now it prints out, you know, hook impl for pre-commit expected 0 arguments but got 1. It has a more helpful error message, so I added that. But yeah, that's really all I've done since last stream. Got yelled at by someone on a bug tracker. I guess I did that. Oh my god. Sometimes people are just like so adamant that they're right, but they really have no idea what they're talking about. That's super. But, you know, what are you gonna do? Thomas DeWitt asks, are you a developer for Python itself? I'm not part of Python's core devs, if that's what you're asking, but I have contributed to Python, both CPython and PyPy, both of those implementations. Oh, I'm surprised there's only 1,200 contributors. That seems low. Maybe it's only counting GitHub contributors. But yeah, I've gotten, you know, somewhere around like 48 PRs merged into Python. Yeah, exactly 48. Wow, I guessed how many were closed. Right? It was merged. 47. Okay, off by 1. That's close enough. But yeah, so I do some stuff for CPython and PyPy, but I'm not a core dev by any means. But yes, I want to see the issue tracker drama. I'm also not in the best of moods right now. Our work is what is the phrase? Tightening the belt. And I don't know the full details, but I got a mysterious email this morning that was, your commuter benefits have been canceled, and like no explanation from leadership at all about it yet. So we'll see what happens yet. Yeah, but anyway, you can look through the recent activity on this if you want to check out another thing that I'm not feeling great about, but that's the way things go, I guess. Oh no, why is my phone vibrating? I have a Discord message. But yeah, the plan for today is to work more on what we were working on last time in pyupgrade, which we didn't finish. We got pretty far though. We were working on automatically rewriting some parts. Oh, I did do a release. Let me just rebase really quickly. Oh, come on, really? What are you possibly conflicting on? Oh. It's just indentation. It's good. Okay. Is that the only one? Cool. Get rebase. Continue. Cool. What was I saying? I got distracted by rebasing. Also, my windows are all missized. Man, I am all over the place today. I'm so sorry that this is like... this is a bit unprofessional of me, but... Wait, why are they still different sized? Go with this size window. Usually I prep all this stuff before the stream, but I was like, ugh, let's stream. But yeah, so the thing that we're working on, right, I was explaining that. GitHub Acetilly pyupgrade. We are doing some Python 3.6+ rewrites today. Last time we worked on getting NamedTuple working. Oh, someone's excited about this. Oh, MXR, of course. Where we'll automatically take syntax that looks like this and turn it into the new style, which uses the class literals, which is much nicer, has a bunch more features. You can implement methods, doc strings, all sorts of stuff you really can't do with this form. And it mostly works. Yeah. Let me just show you it working. Pyupgrade, py36+ t.py. And you can see that it becomes the nice new form. I actually had Max try this out, and he found a bug. So we're gonna start by doing some bug fixing, a little bit of test-driven development here. So this was the case that Max found that was broken, or at least he and I both intimately boiled it down to the same thing. If there's a branch before this NamedTuple, it breaks. Py36+, and you end up with this class literal that no longer has a class name, which is broken. But it should be easy to fix. But we're gonna jump into this and make a test for that, and then fix the tests. Typing, yeah. Ouch, right, Ethan? It's pretty fun there. Let's do down here. PyTest.pram. If false. Pass. And the reason for this, I know the reason. The reason is there are actually two tokens at the beginning of this line that have the same position. One of them is an empty string dedent token. And so that's why it, and we use the first token to pick the name of the class. And so it hits on the empty dedent token and picks that as the class name. But I know it's wrong, I know how to fix it, just need to fix it. If false, should still remain the same. Hey, what's up, Pythonic Pie? Just, spend some channel points to say -100. Nice. Let's see, typing NamedTuple. And there is another bug that we'll need to fix as well, which is this being indented. We don't yet handle that, but it should be not too difficult to implement. In theory. We'll see though. We will see. Okay, so there's a typo here. Also, my sleep schedule is super messed up still. I have not been taking strides to improve it either. Which is unfortunate. ID equals class directly after block. So I am super tired, so we'll see how long this stream goes before I lose my damn mind. NamedTuple. Really? Oh, is it named _t? Yes. Yes, it is. So this is being true twice, I believe. Tuple enumerate tokens. And it says I have 2 points. You know what else I want to make? A graphical terminal multiplexer. I somehow feel like implementing a terminal multiplexer would be less work than a text editor. Somehow. But I don't know, maybe I'm underestimating the amount of work that goes into like screen. The screen seems super simple. Okay, so this is the problem. So you can see there are 2 tokens that are at line 3, offset 0. And it first picks up on this one. And then if we run this again, tuple enumerate tokens. So it has rewritten this line, which is great. But then it rewrites it again on this second line, which is the problem. That's what we'll have to fix. Ethan says, I've looked into it and it isn't. You have to deal with all the bullshit of terminal rendering and all the ways that can break. Plus all the ways that programs can break that. Oh, I see. Then again, I haven't written a text editor. That's fair. Yeah, I just feel like, I don't know, the problems I feel like are a subset of the ones that I had to deal with. Although then again, I didn't have to deal with like all the weird term-IOS escape sequence handling shenanigans, so it's likely that I'm actually wrong. Okay, but I think this is enough to fix this. Basically ensuring that we're looking at a name token and not the dedent token. Sweet. Okay. Make sure that didn't break anything else. Okay, that's good. That fixes that little problem. I think the next thing to try and tackle. Oh, wait. This is really stupid, really cool. 27 sub points, 27 subscribers, 27 viewers, almost 27,000 views. Sorry. just stupid little things like that. But also, I never thought I would have 27 subscribers. That's kind of wild to me. I mean something based in a GTK or Qt framework that allows for SSH tunneling. Oh, I see. Like a windowed terminal multiplexer. Let's see. That'd be kind of cool. You mean like using tabs in GNOME terminal? I kid, of course. Right, so the next thing that we want to fix here is indented typing classes, and then I think it works, and then we'll just try and get TypeDict working. If true, C equals that named tuple C A. It's. That's not how that works. Actually, that would have been fine. Because a quoted type is still a type annotation. Alright, so if true, new line, class C, typing dot named tuple, int. Cool. So this should be very broken. Well, or somewhat broken. Yeah, okay. Somewhat broken. Perfect. Yes, GNOME terminal but on steroids would allow multiple computers to log into. Oh, I see. That'd be cool. I keep going. You might get it through my thick skull. Okay. So we need to figure out the indentation level. Fortunately, we know that if we're in an assignment statement, then everything before us is white space. Oh yeah, I also did this last time, which I didn't talk about on stream. I added type ignores because we validate all the types up front, and then we don't know them down here because it's kind of a two-phase parsing where we do AST parsing, figure out all the offsets, and then we tokenize and then zip through the tokens and try and match them against the AST. And so we kind of reach back and find the original AST node here, and we know that these are the particular types they are because we've checked them in the visitor here. But the type checker doesn't know that we've done that, so we have to tell it. We have to tell it what's up. Evo Bandito says, "Hello, everyone. Good news." But yeah, welcome. Python Pie says, next month I'm taking David Beasley's Build a Compiler course. My understanding is it involves implementing a language grammar and a token lexinizer. Lexer and tokenizer. Oh, that would be cool. I have not written, well, I've written many parsers, but they're all garbage. I've not learned how to properly write a parser / compiler. I hope to at some point. But, you know, it's one of those things that I just keep putting off, just like everything else in my life. So that's the... Oh, complete brainfuck. Oh, you mean implementing a compiler is a complete brainfuck? Yeah. I thought you meant like you're implementing a brainfuck compiler. Take David's course with me next month. I would, but one of the things that I believe Lyft is cutting is educational reimbursement, so I think that's gonna happen. Better not be salty. Not salty. Salty today. No salt today. Not salty. Salty. No salt. Alright. If I is greater than 0 and tokens I minus 1 dot name. This is a constant, right? Unimportant white space, then indent equals tokens I minus 1. Okay, so I think, oh no, this line is too long. Gross. I hate when this happens. Oh, we can just split this F string. Because it's not a dictionary literal, despite it looking like one. 3 lines in a row with type ignore. What could go wrong? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I should just do as space times 4. Alright, does that fix the indent issue? No, because I forgot a single quote. Oh. Really? Really, really? Hey, what's up, Baron Rap? Hello, hello. Evo Bandito says, ah, damn, that's lame, yeah. Pythonic Pie says, I'm paying out of pocket myself, but it's half price right now and available virtually. Oh, that's kind of cool. Evo Bandito says, yeah, my company's been cutting stuff as well recently, unfortunately. Yeah, that happens. Normally, David has only held his classes in Chicago live. It makes sense. What is pay.reddit.com? Do you have, like, Reddit Premium? Tippy taps! Oh my god, that was great. Hop, hop, hop. What is tippy tap supposed to be? Is it always sheeple? Or is it just like... Come for the cats? Oh, that's right. Must include animal tippy taps. Non-animal tippy taps should be posted elsewhere. This is a tippy tap. Oh. I see. Okay. Nice. I need the sound on.
Beep. I'm a sheep. I said beep beep. Beep beep. I'm a sheep. I said beep beep. I'm a sheep.
Hi, Coda.
Beep beep. I'm a sheep. I said beep beep. I'm a sheep.
Hi, Coda.
Oh man. That's funny. Crafting interpreters. Oh. Yeah, maybe I will check this out. Let me bookmark that either in the browser that I actually use, unlike this one. Throw it in the pile of other stuff I'm probably never gonna look at. No, that's not how it goes. I do look at it, I promise. Yeah, what is pay.reddit.com? Are you do you pay for Reddit now, Ash? Oh, is it old.reddit? Is it any subdomain? No, it's not. Oh, it just redirects r/wat on the end. That's interesting. Love this 404 page though. It's literally just the text not found. Amazing. It's usually dogs on tippy taps. Oh. Okay, so I'm wondering why this isn't working. Tuple enumerate tokens into. Oh, it will be an indent token and not an unimportant white space? Really? Okay, so let's try that, and then I'll also try it on a new line. Somehow, I feel like this is not correct. Back. Bulk. Baka. Why did I do that? Only have a syntax error for one. Okay. So it isn't always an indent token. I guess it's good that I checked. Typing classes. Indented, but on next line. No, I can't do that. Okay, so that's broken. And token.name in indent unimportant white space. I believe those are the only two it can be. Cool. It works. I don't browse Reddit, I just repost shit from people who also have no idea. It happens. Yeah, it assumes that if you go to, you know, like your favorite porn reddit.reddit.com. It'll just redirect it. Actually, that was a risky click. No, what's one that's not bad? What do people actually use Reddit for? I honestly cannot think of a single subreddit name. Pix, sure, Pix. Pix.reddit.com. We'll go to r/Pix, probably. Yeah, that's what it's used for. Yeah, Pix. Pix would have been a good one. Thank you, Steve Benito. Aw, yeah, that would have been a good one too. Wholesome memes. Such a weird way to interact with a subdomain, though. Yeah, I mean, some websites do this. Like if I go to acetilly.yelp.com, assuming vanity domains still work, it redirects to my user profile. It's an old-ass photo of me! Anthony hasn't written any reviews yet. Man, this page looks like shit. Zoomed in. This graphic is really old. They probably haven't fixed this because no one actually, none of this, the CEO probably never reviews this page. Or never sees this because they have reviews, so. Okay, that's why it looks like gross. Yeah, profile pages are, questionable. Okay, so, we did this to do. Check that the second argument is a sequence literal. Done. We need to do TypeDict. Okay, cool. That's good. Implement typing.NamedTuple. Rewrites. That is such a good emote. Look at how hungry that Snorlax is. Like they're very similar to see. Oh. Can we find mine? Do other people have the Python? None. None that are very similar. Look for more. Level 2. Level 3. What does this level mean? We went to 5 levels deep and didn't find any other Pythons. Wonder how it compares, like color palette. It probably has to. It probably, I don't know. Probably uses some image similarity algorithm or something like that. The channel has more that are like that. Oh, this channel has a lot of emotes. Scam, royal. Yeah, should I make a tier 2 subs scam Python? That'd be funny. No one should tier 2 sub. That makes no sense. Okay, so next is to do TypeDict. TypeDict. It's gonna sound like I say TypeDict all stream, which is a thing, I guess. Sorry, I got pinged on, which I have now closed because it sucks to suck work. Okay. Why do I have 3 commits? Oh. Because we accidentally committed twice. Hey, what's up, Shazrobot? Hello. You've been in the chat for a while. I just didn't notice you because you're the same color as Knowledge right now. But yeah, hello. Let's see. even asked a question. Yeah, I just thought it was knowledge because you guys are both subscribed and you're both pink right now, and I didn't even think about it. My bad. I'm sorry. I fucked up. I'm starting to think that the NamedTuple tests and the TypeDict tests should be in 2 separate files. So I think I'm gonna do that. As typing NamedTuple test.y. Typing classes, typing NamedTuple. Never QAing Babby again. Man, you guys are so quick to turn on me. You're just like, I'm out. I'm done. Fuck this guy. Okay, test slash typing TypeDict. TypeDict test. So I'm pretty sure the other one I did like this. So sorry, for whatever reason my patience is a little thin today. Let's be happy. We're streaming. Streaming is good. Streaming is happy. Pink is still last season. Now I just changed their name color. Now I'm gonna. Oh, who are you? Never seen your name before, Nalish. Where did you come from? What? You've been following since July of 2019, huh? Weird. Oh, the endless river is also red. You guys are great. Desert says, I haven't felt motivated to work on my coding projects for the last week. Feels bad. I need to finish the Smith projects for class as well. Yeah, I have honestly not been working as much on open source either. It's been pretty hard to stay motivated on really anything with this whole apocalypse shenanigans going on, but I don't know. I'm hoping to get back at it soon. Get back to normal, more functional, build more things, etc. I've just been a massive stress ball, and no part of being a stress ball is fun. But anyway. Okay. Typing not named. No, it's TypeDict. Can you have it with no arguments? You can. TypeDict takes either a dict or keyword arguments, but not both. Cool. Surprised that it allows you to do that. Is it literally just an alias? How does this work? But I guess we should do the same nilab as before. PyTest run pyupgrade port fix plus parameterize. That'll be our no-up ones. Test typing TypeDict no-op 6 plus s equals s. I just remembered something else. This should be an underscore here. here. Totally forgot about that. How it goes. Steve Benito says, I agree. Yeah, I mean, there's only so much motivation you can have in the middle of a pandemic, right? That's my excuse, right? Right? Oh, I forgot to shave too. It's nice to like itch your hand though. Desert says, yeah, I'm the same right now. I'm like out of work and stressed. I don't think my job will ever recover, so it's like pragmatically, I really gotta get a move on. Yeah. Sucks. I gotta get better at programming so when I graduate into this oncoming long recession. Yeah. That's certainly what it's looking like right now. Still have a job, can't ask for more than that right now, to be honest. I haven't shaved in like a week, going full caveman, no haircut either. Yeah, I haven't got my haircut. It's not that long yet. I'm probably just gonna let it grow out, which like, my choice is like, let it grow out or shave it. And I haven't shaved my head in 8-ish years, and even then when I shaved my head, it wasn't shaved, it was just like, you know, very short hair. I have a suspicion that my head does not look great bald. that's just my sneaking suspicion. Like, I assume that I have like weird bumps and like oddly shaped and all that shenanigans, but I'd rather go emo than bald, I think. Also, doesn't matter like who's gonna see other than you guys and me, and like shrugs. Counter says, I'm so glad I did my US West Coast and Alaska trip last year. This year it would have been impossible. Yeah, seriously. Literally never shaved my head fully. Yeah. My friend and I did this really dumb thing for Crazy Hair Day in like, it must have been middle school. So it was either 6th, 7th, or 8th grade. But we... I don't know why we thought this was a good idea. But we both had like relatively long hair at the time, so like, you know, maybe like ½ inch longer than this, like an inch longer than this. And I shaved this head, well, shaved. I cut this half of my head really short, and he cut this half of his head really short. And so we were like this weird, like, well, if we sat on one side of each other, we had like a giant reverse mohawk, and if we sat on the other side of each other, we had a giant mohawk. Oh yeah, and we spiked the long half. But it was wild. My mom was not approving of it, but we did it anyway because look at, we were like middle school and didn't really care. Ezra says I have metalhead hair down to my waist. Dang, that's super long. Crazy Hair Day was the best, right? Hey, what's up, Coding with Ian, who says, yeah, thinking about the people with student loans right now makes me sad. It's like back in 2008, people who graduated basically had their credit ruined since unemployment was so high, and they couldn't claim bankruptcy on their loans. Yeah, it was a mess. Photo where it didn't happen. I don't even, I think it was back when we took film photos, so I don't think I have it on my computer. No, we must have taken digital photos then. I'm pretty sure I don't have it on my computer though, which is a bummer, because, I'll look for it. But I'm not gonna scroll through thousands of photos on stream. That never ends well. We end up showing shenanigans. We don't want to do that. Okay, so we want to work on the no-op cases for TypeDict. Let's just do this as one of the no-ops. I test.param id equals no types, no typed quarks. This will be no typed args. This should be no ops. What else do we got? We will leave the both case alone, since that's not handleable. What else? What else? What else? What else? We will into more cases soon. Let's make sure those pass first. They should pass because I haven't written any code for it. Man, if they somehow fail, that'd be very, very surprised. Test typing TypeDict. Yes, expected. Alright, so let's do our first, like, kind of normal case. Actually, this will be TypeDict from imported from typing import TypeDict d equals TypeDict. Yeah, that seems good. Thomas DeWitt says, do you know... Oh, sorry. I'm having a hard time reading that. Do you know some Python project? Is that a thing? Is this the thing? I'm confused. I'm very confused, Thomas DeWitt. Can you elaborate? Chance Robot is also confused. And Stevo Bandito. Okay, it's not just me. But for a second I thought it was me. You have some good projects. I mean like ones that I work on, or like I mean this is the most popular project that I work on, that I created. It's called Pre-Commit. It has, 4,200 stars on GitHub, which is kind of a big deal. But yeah, if you don't know about Pre-Commit, it's basically a linter and code formatter. Oh, I have triple 27s again, sorry. It's basically a framework that will install and run linters and code formatters and other tools, and it also knows things about Git hooks. The basics of it are you set up a little configuration file like this, which says like what tools you want to use, or well, where you want to get the tools from, what version they're at, and which tools you want to use, and you can include all sorts of things. And it knows how to install those and then run those on a bunch of files, which is pretty awesome. But the other service says, is there any way to track the number of pre-commit users? So I have this like very, very this graph is actually really cool. I really love this graph. This is like a super not scientific way to look at how many people use pre-commit, but this is the closest metric that I have, which is the number of Git clones of the pre-commit hooks repository, which is fucking wild. I have like a sneaking suspicion that this is the most cloned repository on GitHub. It might not be right there, but it's definitely up there. This is 180,000 over 2 weeks. Which is crazy town. And pre-commit heavily caches everything. So this is almost like, like people cloning at multiple versions, or like first time setups, or people are running pre-commit clean a lot, or CI systems are cloning this. But I have no insight into like actually how any of that works. Someone at GitHub would probably know more about that than me. But yeah, the numbers are pretty wild. The other number that I look at a lot is the like PyPI downloads. This is another good like metric for that. And so you can see like 1.3 million downloads in the last 30 days is pretty decent. What happened here? Did I release a new version? No. It's interesting how many people are still on 2.10 and 2.11. Huh. I know, but another cool thing about this is you can very much see like people use this at work. Also, people are much less productive on like, oh, this was Oh, this was Easter Monday. People are much less productive on Fridays. But this is like always the shape that this graph has. It's not just this time. Although the Easter Monday is very much or a lot easier to see it dipped here. But yeah, and I usually like flip through all my other projects and look at those as well. This is, I think, the second most downloaded one, and this is only, you know, a tenth of that. So look at like pyupgrade. Oh, pyupgrade is past reorder Python imports. Oh, surprising. What about this one? Feed isort config. That one is past reorder Python imports. Huh. Queso preso. Or queso preso. What other hooks do I have? When you can't remember your own fucking repos, you go to the documentation. Oh, that's not the button I want to click on. This is the one I want to click on. Oh, add trailing comma. I forgot about that one. Basically, black before black existed. Predates black by almost 3 years, but nowhere near the popularity. Oh, really? This links to that? Wow, it's even listed before black. Oh, cool. Didn't know that. That's pretty cool. What other things were there? Upgrade. Yes, QA is probably not used that much. Look at that one. Knowledge says one of my packages is 100,000 downloads a week. Damn, that's a lot. This is what we want to look at. Yes, QA. Not that many. That's to be expected. Set out CFG format. Also, very much not that many. These are mostly, almost entirely me. I wonder if people are using these. Well, that's a nice even number. Oh. G devops.gitlab.io. What is this? Can I view this page? Oh, I can. That's cool. That's cool. Someone has collected their own set of pre-commit hooks and documented them. Cool. Nifty. Knowledge says it's one of the definitely typed packages for one of the npm packages. Oh, I see. VBA to find the name. Nice. Hey, what's up, Zandy CTZ? Thank you for showing up. Hello from Brazil. Awesome. Welcome to the stream. From Brazil imports Sandy CTZ. Nice. Pythonic Pie says PyPI stats are a bit inflated, but can give you a good rough idea. Yeah, that's true. The server says, how's Babby doing? I haven't worked on Babby in a long while, unfortunately. I'm a little bit sad about it. Hey, what's up, Zandy CTZ? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I haven't worked on Babby in a couple of weeks. Oh, do you want to see it on downloads? Peppy.tech. Probably not that many. 500 people in the last week, though. That's probably mostly me. But also, like, kind of a surprising number. The version skew is wild. It's all over the place. This must have been when I streamed. Wait, 4/12. Oh, that's Sunday. Maybe it's the date's off by one. I don't know. Shrugs. But this is much higher than I would expect it to be. But yeah, I haven't worked on Babby in quite a while. I haven't worked on it in like 11 days, it seems. well, 13 days realistically. I think the release that I made on Master was just like a tiny change. Where like I just released it to... No. Actual changes. Yeah, it's been a while since I worked on Babby. Mostly because I'm stuck on a really hard problem and I've not been motivated to work on programming. Oh, yeah, it's I'm sorry if I'm being a downer. I'm trying to stay as happy as possible, but it's been rough today. Only so much of people being shitty that you can deal with. But yeah. What was I doing? TypeDict. Int. So that's the first rewrite that we need to do, and that should be failing. It shouldn't be failing that way. What did I screw up? Oh. Forgot to write the actual code.
Maybe you should talk to some girls to cheer you up.
Yeah, maybe I should talk to some girls. I'm sure that would improve it. Yeah. Thomas Twit says mine has 7,000 downloads total. Yeah. As Robert says, I'm right there with you. Don't worry about it too much. And sad faces in the chat. Guy why says typo in the no-op tests. Oh no. Where's the typo? Test typing TypeDict no-op. I'm missing it. You're gonna have to tell me. Is it in one of the cases? 9, 10, 11, somewhere around there. Oh, named tuple. Dope. Thank you. I was not gonna find that. I'm very glad that you found that. It would have taken me a really long time. Now it says
You woo you woo 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 you woo woo w woo 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 w u w u w u w u w u w u w.
Now it says I love the intonations of the TTS. Yes. Woo 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 woo. Yeah, definitely. Oh, did I fuck it up again? I fucked it up again.
WTF.
Hey, what's up, Buzzcam? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Thank you both for the bits, by the way. Okay, we got it right this time. And we have a failing test, which is what we expect. Pyupgrade, not py, named tuples? Tuple. And yes, there's lag, and I will fix that eventually. So this code will all be copied and pasted.
I hope a car doesn't drive by and make this sound it added.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so this comment is wrong. First off, because there is no J. There is no J. And this is... Oh, that's right, at least. This is what I love about commenting code, is because the comments almost always end up being wrong. That's the way. Let's go. Okay. What I was saying is, this code here, this code here will be the same for, well, not all of it. Most of this code will be the same for both TypeDict and NamedTuple. In fact, there's two types of TypeDict. How do I want to do? What do we do first? Did this.
Plus, I'm JavaScript.
I'm surprised it didn't say the curly braces. That would have been. It would have been fun to see how TTS thinks curly braces work. But yeah, object plus object, nan. Wat man. Let's see. I think what we can do. Was token I int types stir to ast.expr. This is what we can do. Types equals wait, what happens there? What happens if we have duplicates here? Encountered a duplicate field name. Whoa. We validate that too? Maybe? Let's do. I mean, we're already doing last one wins. Oh, actually, are we doing last one wins? Who cares? It's one for top in call.args1.else. Tokens I types. Oh, we need to call also. We need to get the type name. Here. Oh, I wonder if after 2 dedents this fits on one line. Oh, we won't need the type ignores here. I don't think. just be that. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Hey, what's up, Michaela? Hello, hello. A minute 20 video that's a bit loud. That's too long. You'll have to pick a shorter video now, Ash. Miguel says, I learned about generators and realized I could make one that makes bad guys, so when one dies, I can just grab a new one from the generator instead of like awkwardly messing around like I did before. Oh, awesome. That's cool. Hello, hello. I assume by calling next on the generator, do that for you. This made more sense before to be multiple lines, but just do that. It's really work now? Oh. Frick. Cool. That's cool. If token dot offset in visitor dot TypeDict and token dot name is equal to name. Call equals visitor dot TypeDict token dot offset. We're just gonna handle the keyword args case right now. I hate this. Call.quargs? Call.arg? This is what I wanted to do. Keywords. Arg and value. That might just work. I don't know why I'm revalidating it. I guess just to show you guys that it does work, because the test passed, and that's what really matters, right? Tantrum's lovely that his beam isn't being played. Kayla says, I don't even know what next is. Maybe I should read some more. Maybe. That's usually how you retrieve something from a generator. Or any iterable in Python. Arg.arg for arg and args. That's what a pirate would say. Yeah, you're right. On the server, you got a Python pirate saying arg for arg.
Anthem63 Python.
Hey, what's up, Mindful Fox? Who's just resubbed for 13 months. 13 months. Damn, that's a long one, Mindful Fox. But thank you for resubscribing. My my I think you're the longest sub that I have. But yeah, that's a lot of months, man. All right, now this meme's a little bit shorter. I also approve. But yeah, it's good Python. But yeah, you've really earned that first badge. I demand a new pirate themed tutorial on Star Args and Star Quargs. Oh, you're using Python at work. Interesting. It's Google Python though, isn't it? Their weird like 2.8 flavor thing. Oh, it's 3.6 now? It used to be like a really weird flavor of Python. Okay, so we have some failing tests, which makes sense. Knowledge tantrums that he doesn't have a founder's badge. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Diddlyhole12? It's an interesting name. Welcome to the stream. Ooh. Okay, so we added a bunch of cases here for NamedTuple, but we have not added any of them for TypeDict. We need to do that. Or no, wait, here are the cases for NamedTuple. And I think I'll probably split them into 2 types. So we'll have TypeDict and TypeDict Bargs. TypeDict dicks. TypeDict Bargs. Yeah. TypeDicts. Maybe it should be dict typed dicts. And quargs type dicts. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. I like that more. The other server says that would be it. Anthony explains Star Args and Star Quargs with a parrot on his shoulder and with a hook on his arm and with one eye covered. Yeah, that would be pretty. What, like this video? No. This is what happens when role players become coders. Oh no. Alright. Let's get to
for the performance section of Chrome Developer Relations. And tonight I want to talk to you about the joys of static memory JavaScript. The most question possible, I showed it to her on Google that this was a thing. And so I'm going to ask you tonight, just in the DOM, and sooner or later,
oh, I see the
have one too many pints of beer and die.
I see. They explain using pirate. Now it says I just got 100 points, so I better spend them before my pockets split open. Yeah, it's entirely in pirate except for the beginning, which was very clearly not in pirate. But yeah, funny. I see next now. Is it just a built-in function? Yes, next is a built-in. Okay, so oh. And then node.value.args equals 1, and then node.value.quargs is greater than 0. And we'll implement the other case later. self dot is typing. I'll just paste. Oh, my music stopped already? I guess I've been streaming for an hour and a half. Doesn't feel like an hour and a half though. AST offset node equals node not value. Now we have 4 failing tests there. Node dot, oh, it's not quarks, it's keywords. Keywords. No. No. Now you're too long. The dict is too long. Let's call it KW. Alright, so now we have more test passing. This is still failing though. Fine. Jesus. Okay, cool. That test is basically working now. Is double under prototype a built-in feature? Wait, that's JavaScript, yeah. Milevox says, what stickers do you have on your laptop? You assume Bernie is that type of heathen. So honestly, I don't really like stickers on my laptop. I'm gonna get my work laptop. There's no stickers. I don't really like stickers all that much. But, my friend gave me my first laptop sticker, and he's like, I know you don't like stickers, but here's a sticker because you're my friend, and I feel like you'll appreciate it. And even though, I guess let me go to the... Even though I am not part of Berkeley's computing facility stuff, I have an OCF Berkeley sticker. That was my first laptop sticker. What else do I got? I went to a GitHub conference, so I put a GitHub sticker on. Oh, focus. Focus. There we go. So, GitHub sticker. I have a Python sticker. I added that when I went to PyCon. And the last one is Otto's Berlin Donor, which is a place I used to go with my girlfriend to a lot in Toronto. It is basically my favorite food on the planet. It's this little shop in Toronto. This is basically the kind of food that they serve. But what I would always get is the halloumi. Don't do the box? No, I would get the teller. I would get the halloumi teller with 50% fries and 50% couscous, and with all the sauces on it, and it is so fucking good. Oh, so good. Actually, it was so good that I decided to try and make it myself. And actually, the one that I made myself was really fucking good too. Let me see if I can find the photo of that. Data photos. Where'd this? Oh no. Where would I have put that? This photo. Oh, that's my desktop photo. It's like, why is there a photo called Cache Photo on my desktop? Not any of those. What is wat.png? Alright, I was playing a game and this is what it did to my desktop in the middle of the game. It makes sense. The game is called Perspective, which is actually it's a really fun game. I think it's free to play. Oh, you guys can't even fucking see because it's just face. I see. Rip. Sorry. Sorry, I fucked that one up. But anyway, this is Otto's Berlin Döner, which is in Toronto. This is the food that they have. This is what it looks like. But yeah, I usually get the halloumi in a box with fries and couscous, and then these sauces. That's what I was trying to tell you guys. Maybe it's on my phone. Let me see if it's on my phone. If so, then I can send the photo to my desktop, and I can do it there. Really far back though. Cookies there. Yes. Ugh. But yeah, I made my own halloumi. That was basically the same like recipe idea as the one that I would get from Otto's Berlin Döner, and it was really good. Problem is, getting halloumi near me is really hard. The closest shop is like, the closest place that sells it, it's actually not that far away, but it's super fucking expensive. Like they charged, I want to say it was like $15 for like half a pound, and like it's totally not worth it to buy it at that price. Come on, surely I can find this. This is when I started at Lyft. Nice sand meal there. Oh, here's where I put my first laptop sticker on. Oh, this is when I quit Lyft, or quit Yelp. I haven't quit Lyft yet. Okay, here it is. I found it. Okay, I can show you guys. There it is, basically, in its glory. Halloumi with my 3 homemade sauces on couscous and homemade fries. It was really good, really, really good. But anyway. Oh, and beer in the background. Yeah, there was beer in that photo too. But yeah, I made my own. I mean, it's not quite as like Instagrammable as this, but it was pretty good. Let's see. But yeah, anyway, I do have a few stickers. I don't really like laptop stickers, but I do have them. Knowledge unfollows and unsubscribes, right? If not, baddie that is alive, baddie equals next generator full of bad guys. Yes, something like that. BSD, yes. I mean, in some ways, Berkeley is BSD. Full face cam still, yeah, I fucked up. You mean Donair? Yeah, I know. I don't know how to pronounce stuff. You're right. You're right. Why does it say Berlin when it's in Toronto? Good question. I think he's looking at pictures of food without showing us. Yes, I am. I was showing food. I'm drilling a show screen. I fucked up, yeah. I know. Hey, Nakalaric, hello. You ever eat at Papalote? Chicken mole, I miss it so much. I don't know that I have. I don't think I have. I put a Razer sticker on mine, now it's double the price. Nice. Would you put a pigeon sticker on your laptop? I could pick you up. Yeah, I would probably put a pigeon sticker. I'd probably put a Firefox sticker too. I'm planning to make pre-commit stickers at some point. I just keep forgetting to do it. Really want to make pre-commit stickers, because like I think it would be easy for one. But also I spent a bunch of like badgering of the people that made the original assets to get the logo as an SVG. So, not that the logo is complicated, but I wanted like the exact font. What do you mean the file's invalid? Seems pretty fucking valid to me, GitHub. Grumble. But anyway, I think this would make a good sticker with like white outline around it, and then pop right on the laptop. But other than that, I've been planning to do it. After free time. Okay, back to this. We have our keyword TypeDict. I think this is all of the conditions here. We don't have all these complicated conditions as we did before. Yeah. So this is simple. Here is to do that. This one is complicated, but we can ready test for it. Oh, we also need to do this. I forgot to do it from before. Well, that was some weird colors. Oh, it's just the import color. Okay. Okay. Alright, so we need to do the dict form. Keyword TypeDict from imported. Keyword TypeDict from attributes. Copy and paste. Keyword TypeDict from dict literal. A is an int. And it the same way. Oh, why did I paste that in the middle? Sure. That's failing as we expect. Maybe I should do this? Nah. Nah. Keys and values. That's annoying. That's really annoying. I wonder what this does. Import astpretty. Astpretty dot pprint. T dot parse. Probably does what key is none. Is there an extra curly brace here? Yeah, it has a none key. Huh. I'll have to prevent that as well. But anyway. Call.args1.keys. Call.args1.value. make that other line a little bit nicer. So don't forget. So one of the no-op tests is failing. Two of the no-op tests is failing. It's fine. We kind of expected that. We didn't add all the conditions up here. And so first we'll add a test. So we're gonna keep the two failing tests because we need to add the next condition. We should have 3 failing tests, and now this instance no.value to args1 ast.dict. So that should get us down to 2 failing tests. 2 failing tests. What do you mean? Oh, sneaky little comma there. Okay, 2 failing tests, cool. Knowledge says literally shaking hands with danger. Oh my goodness. Wait, what was the photo at the end? This is so satisfying, though. This flip is so satisfying. I don't know what's up with this, though, but... Oh. Some r/oddly satisfying there. Field service says we need the "what do you mean" emote. Yeah, I do say that a lot. What do you mean? What would it be, though? I think it's Monty Python. Oh. Oh, Python. Monty Python. That's a thing now. Okay, cool. So that's 2 failing tests. We need to check that it has keys. That'll exclude this test. Oh, we also need to check that it doesn't have both. And not node. Well, we can do that up here. And not node.value.keywords. That'll exclude. I can syntax. That'll exclude that test, and then this one. And node.value.args1.keys. So it should have some number of keys. And let's do a non-string key. Test.param t equals typing.typedict. Not string key. String is not a key. Right, key is not a string. There. Should be 1 failing test. Okay. And is instance k ast.stir for k in keys. slightly too long on that. Cool. Looks good. Michaela, why do you have the threatening kitty? What did I do? Why does that kitty look like it's going to shoost me? Dictionary splat operator. I think that'll already work due to this as instance. So it's already working. Hey, what's up, Pylang? Hello, hello. I think this already works. It's just how I say hi. Yikes. Icicles. This maybe already works. Cool, I guess. I don't know if there's anything else that I want to do here. I was gonna say the kitty is here to enforce Pep 8, but I would probably get shot, so... I mean... Song loud? Oh, this song is loud. This song is always loud. Thanks! Now it just got another memes. Live footage of somebody letting their mom count to 0. That's good. That's good, I like it. I think all that's left is to add this to the README. Implement typing.typedict rewrite. Live footage, mom must have typed time. True? True? Oh yeah, we have to do this type ignores. 2402. Expert has no attribute else. Oh, dang it. My pie noticed me. 403. Invalid type ignore comment. Bite me, my pie. Cool. I find it odd. No, this must be annotated improperly. Because this can be none. I think. AST pretty dev standard in F star K. Yep, can be none. So there's a bug in the type sheds. Not there, it'll be in 3. Yes. Yeah. Oh. Why didn't my pie trigger this then? It should be mad about this here. Because this can be none. Which actually means that I have a bug in my code. let's just do reveal type. Reveal type. Call. Let's see what my past has to say about that. It should be mad about this line at least. Union none. Dict any? How the fuck did it decay to dict any? Oh. 'Cause this one is dict any. If I do this. Aha! Okay. Bug in my code. Not a bug in their code. It's fine. There is a bug in my code. Typing TypeDict test. Actually, no, there isn't, because we already validate this, so don't have to worry about that. Cool. 2418. Optional expert has no attribute S. Oh, because it doesn't know that this is a string. Oh, what was dict? Call.args1? Damn it. It'll fit on a line. Oh, that was so smooth! Man, did you guys see that? Look at how smooth this was. Oh, that was so good. Man. Sometimes when I use my text editor, I'm like, ooh, that looked great. Hey, what's up, Pony Lover? Hello. Welcome to the stream. Hey, what's up, Ideal Gas? I haven't seen you in a while. Welcome back. Oh, that was fucking chef kiss right there. I'll just run the whole test suite. Cool. Do we actually have a test for star args? We do down here. We'll add one for TypeDict also. So interesting that I have a TypeDict test in the NamedTuple file. We will fix that in a second. I don't know what to call these. I called this Star Args. Maybe I'll call this Star Quargs. Star Quargs. This looks so dumb. Implement typing.typed dict rewrites. Pony Lover says, "Hi, Anthony writes code. I'm an ethical hacker." What does that mean? I'm an unethical. Oh god, I love this. I still walk. Oh man, the ferret walk is so good. I fucking love that shit. It's so good. What is the ferret walk song? Where's the one with the lyrics? What?
Other Pokemon
Yeah, there we go.
fly majestically through the sky, but
I can walk. I
He
can.
can walk.
Yeah. Can ferret walk. It's so good. Love that shit. If you're a hacker, then what's your favorite x86 opcode? How does the meme go? So you call yourself a hacker? Then name every x86 opcode. Yeah, the ferret walk. Ferret walk is some good shit. What was I doing? Read me updates. Oh. And editing one of these tests. Because there's a TypeDict in here. This one is just like not relevant to this test at all. Yeah, I think I had a typo there. Yeah. Just make sure I didn't regress that at all. So you release exploits to the public first right now. I'm in Kali Linux right now, needing it to run folding at home. But you can run folding at home on Windows. Watching Twitch on Kali, yeah. I feel like Kali Linux is like the people that are like, well, I run Arch. But like in a completely different way. Boo, run Linux. What does it look like? This is Linux. Kinda. Okay, let's add this to the README. Typing dot NamedTuple slash typing dot TypeDict. 36 plus syntax. Whalability. Just fucking copy and paste. Why am I trying to retype this shit? Just do that. Easy peasy. How did I do this before? Oh, like a comment with input. Oh, that was funny. I mean, it makes sense. I'm actually surprised there's like so many ways to crash. Let's save first. There's a lot of ways to crash this because I don't have like C# grammars. But anyway. The markdown code blocks are a great way to crash Babby right now. I don't know if my Kali would load Twitch. My VMs are pretty slow. Oh yeah, that wouldn't surprise there. Input, output. Named tuple. A int B tuple stir. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm writing the before code instead of the after code. Oh yeah, isn't Babby great? Like, you get Python highlighting inside of a Python code block. It's wild. But anyway, I think this is done. Oh, one other thing that I want to do. TypeDict can be in typing extensions, so we should handle that as well. We're down here, pytest.pram. I'm typing extensions, import TypeDict. Knowledge says, well, actually, modern editors will highlight markdown code snippets anyway. Don't at me. Vim doesn't do it. Get fucked, Vim. Myth confirmed, Babby better than Vim. Nano doesn't. Oh, that's Babby. Nano doesn't. Modern editors. Modern editors. But yeah, I guess now, that's a good point. Now when people are like, why don't you use Vim? And I can be like, does your Vim do this? It probably does, because people probably have a bunch of like fucking plugins that make it work. But, you know. Run Linux on the hard drive, yeah. I mean, it is on the hard drive. It's just on a virtual hard drive. Ethan says, oh no, my personal Puppet is broken on Ubuntu because there's a GPG agent running for the root user and Puppet gets run as root. Oh, that's rough. Tony Lover says, Callie's just Debian dude, no VM. I'm on real steel. Real steel. Michaela says, but how can you highlight if it's markdown? Why are you running Kelly bareback? That's how I'm gonna refer to it now. We're not running on metal anymore. We're running this distribution bareback. J. Mickey says modern editors. Vim does not equal modern. Yeah, that's fair. Funny Lover says, Leets use Nano, no joke. I mean, I used Nano until I wrote Babby. I think writing my own editor is a little bit more leet than using Nano, not gonna lie. Now it says, why do you think I want to make a Vim clone? I mean, you could fix your syntax happening now, Ash. We'll also do one that's the other form, but import, just so I don't have so many tests here. I realized that I dropped the import here for whatever reason, so both of those should be failing. Is NamedTuple part of typing extensions? I don't even know. Already installed? It is not. Generics. Protocol, literal. What infar is? What is intvar? Never heard of that. Typing intvar. The variable classes. No, it's definitely not that. I could read the code. One-off things, intvar. It's a special type variable that's an integer? I don't know. Writing an editor isn't late. Get the fuck out, Pony Lover. If you follow Tony's naming convention for making a Vim clone, will it be called Kun? Now it says my stitching setting is fixed with all 1 GB of plugins in my home directory. Thinking Babu, yeah, Babu would be good. Make all editors modal, says Knackle Eric. Some haha turtle doves. Pony Lover says, I gotta stream my dude. He's in Tribe of Hackers Red Team. No joke, Leets use Nano. I mean, I used Nano until I wrote my own clone of Nano. That's why I still type Nano on the command line, but Nano is alias to Babby. Okay, so we're gonna record all of these. Ugh. Four characters too long. We can save a few here. One character too long. Let's see if I think that fixes that. Use adder. Oh. Now this is too long. Ugh. Ugh, I say. And that looks gross. Whatever, I don't care. And this is too long. Hey, what's up, Pony Lover? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Even though you've been in chat for a few minutes, I will still welcome you. You have no choice in the matter. You must be welcomed. Yeah, don't feel free to post links. It's all good. If your coworkers tried out Babby, a few of them have. Hey, what's up, Inchaloots? Welcome back. It says, hello, Daddy XD. Only slightly uncomfortable, but you know what happened. What are you gonna do, I guess? What happened? I guess I should make this tuple stir. Honest here. Tuple stir. I should really make it set of stir. That would make more sense. Because it's used like a set here. And we iterate over it and we don't care about the order. Let's do that. And this still doesn't fit on my line, right? One character too long. Really? Why don't you work? Did I typo typing extensions somewhere? Typing extensions. Cool. This is a dumb trick, and I know there's a better way to do this. But if you start a commit message with a octothorpe, Banzine, and then you fix the code. Damn it. My pie ruining my thunder. Okay, so you start a commit message with octothorpe, and then you rebase the branch. Hey, what's up, Sean Dinwiddie? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Rebase the commit. So this one starts with an octothorpe, and we want to squash this into a TypeDict commit because this is about TypeDict as well. When we squash that, since I prefixed it with an octothorpe, it becomes part of the comments here, so I can just quit this, and this commit message doesn't have the second commit in it. Now I realize the better way to do this is there's a specific command for it, which is fixup instead of squash. You would use F, but for whatever reason, I have like muscle memory to always use squash. But anyway, dumb little tip that I know. But Unilever says starts at 9:30 Central. Cool. Are you writing in Bash or Python? I'm using Bash, but I'm writing Python. I'm writing Python to write Python, oddly enough. But I think I'm actually done for this thing. Ugh. I hate that GitHub only sometimes shows you the URL. So I have a little helper that shows it for me all the time, always. Why don't you use Zish? I don't know. I don't know. Because Bash works well enough. What's the issue number for this one? 276. Still has its pros and cons. I don't know what its cons are, but its pros are that it's better in basically every way than Bash. But hey, Pony Lover, do you want me to flex some street cred? Look at this shit. Well, this is Debian's version of it, but damn it, where's the... No, that's not it either. Where's the damn commit? Here we go. CVE. There we go. I found 2 bugs in the shebang parsing of CVE. Well, my friend and I did. And then fixed them in Zish. So I have a commit and a CV and 2 CVEs in Z shell from stuff that I fixed. But yeah, pretty cool. Knowledge says, I wish Zish's website would get good. Is their website still shit? Oh, they've thrown SourceForge. Oh boy. Oh, it's the drop song. Hell yeah. This is a good one to end on. Wow, I haven't seen this Google logo in a really long time. Getting a bug bounty, InfoSec would welcome you with open arms. Yeah, I've done like some fringy free time InfoSec stuff. I just don't find it that fun. Like kind of a lot of work. Kayla says he makes way more money working at Lyft than he would do with bug bounties. Yeah, that's true. Oh no. Oh. Why are you mad? Oh, all the tests are failing. Probably coverage. Yep. Alright. Not ending yet, I guess. Because I gotta fix the coverage. And now it just throws tantrum. See, I want to do more today, but also I feel like I'm in one of those moods where I'm just gonna be like, be real sad on stream, and no one wants to see that. Alright, pyupgrade.py 2176. Oh, we don't have any skips for as imports. It's fine. 2181. One of these is never hit. And 2390. No. It's actual dead code. That's good. Are you? You look like a NamedTuple patch. Okay. Edit this patch. So that should fix one of the coverage problems. We should still have those two other ones. That's fine. Uh, 2391 is never hit. Wait, I just deleted that code. What the fuck? What did I change? Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh my god, I meant to do get apply patch, but I did get add patch. So this is why I need to stop. Because I'm making dumb mistakes like that. Okay, cool. We have no longer checked in patch, and that should fix some of the coverage here. I'm not lead enough. Avoid burnout, get some rest. Yeah. The voice of Winnie the Pooh calls sick children in hospitals and talks to them in Pooh's voice. He once caught a little girl in the hospital who was fighting cancer. The mother of the girl told him that it is the first time she smiled in 6 months. Wow. That's pretty dope. It is very wholesome. I agree. 2176. Okay, so that's in the first patch. And this one is in the second patch. Yeah, so coverage is not super helpful here. But it's actually talking about this generator here. I only know this because I've spent a lot of time with coverage, even though this is line 2181. This is the generator because it makes a separate frame. So saying this is always true. So we just need to do an unrelated call should cover that code. Kind of a silly test, but get that coverage. No, that didn't cover it. Maybe we need to do wat.typedict. Tony Lover says, I know C and C++, trying to learn Python. How did you teach yourself? I got thrown off the deep end, and I was hired at a job and wrote Python on the job. That's how I learned Python. But a lot of it was like, you know, like working on my own projects and like learning that way. But also a lot of it was from code review and like having other people look at the code that I wrote. So what the fuck? Why is this still not hit? 2181. Is instance name? Oh, it has to be from name. I see. And not in any of those modules. Try that. Oh, actually, let's see. From imported from other. Oops. From lat import TypeDict. In that case, wrote some code senpai nobly. Yeah. It says, oh heck, I was having trouble with generators by trying to create them as methods inside a class and realizing that every time I did they always had the same ID, so it seems like I have to do it outside of the class. No, you should be able to make generators as a method. I would have to see your code to know some more about what you're talking about, though. Unfortunately. Oh, we need to... Oh, this was in the other patch. Typing NamedTuple. Lol. Empty string. Always a good test. I probably should add that and test the other one. Okay, so if it is imported with as, we want to avoid it. From typing import NamedTuple as wet. I'll show you after stream or something. Code review time! I think we can spare Michaela that. I do. That's weird. I think I typed Control S, which does weird stuff to the terminal that I don't know. It's such a dumb hack, but I love it so much. Okay, so it looks good. What is my to-do? Right, we do that. And this should start passing. Nico says, I don't need to worry about making the generator more complicated than just while true yield thing. No. Unless you need to like have some logic there to like increment a number or do some special logic, but no, that should be basically all you need there. Yeah, I think that's all you really need. But yeah, I'm been a shorter stream, but I think I'm probably gonna sign off for the night. So let me give you my spiel and then send you guys off to another channel. So, and if you have suggestions for raid, leave them in the chat. Hey, what's up, XCoreX? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, if you like the content, want to check out other content, I upload all my previous streams to youtube.com/AnthonyWrites Code. I've recently been working on this series that I'm super excited about, where I answer questions and like kind of explain stuff. So I encourage you to check those out. These purple ones here. I'm hopefully gonna record one, maybe even today. But I'm super excited about these, and I really appreciate that people seem to be liking these videos, or at least watching them more than my usual stream upload videos. And you know, the likes on the channel have also been like kind of popping off and stuff. So I was gonna reply to this too. Learn some new stuff. How about doing async IO next? I'm not very good at, or I don't know that much about async IO, but maybe I could do like a hello world program or something. Stay tuned. Yeah, maybe I'll do a async IO one. That would be cool. But yeah, check out that content. I usually stream on Saturdays at 11 a.m. Pacific, which is my time, and I announce those in two places. One of them is on Twitter. It is twitter.com/codewithanthony. Usually I'll say something like, I'm gonna be streaming in 60 or 80 minutes, and then it happens. And I also announce on my Discord, which is linked in the chat. We talk about programming stuff. There's memes, and I don't know. It's kind of a fun little community. You guys are free to join that if you would like. Yeah, let me go find someone to raid.